Hi teacher, today I'm going to do the homework for week 3. Hey guys, can you hear me? Yes, Brian, we can hear you. How are you feeling? I'm not feeling very well. I am at home resting. How is the party going? It's great. Everyone is having fun. Nice. Who is at the party right now? Juan is here of course. He is talking with his friends. Also Maria and Diego are dancing. Oh really? What are they doing now? Maria is dancing and Diego is singing. They are very happy. Oh, that's so fun. What is Juan wearing? He is wearing a blue shirt and black jeans. And what are you wearing, Camila? I wearing a red dress and white shoes. Cool. Are people eating something? Yes, there are eating cake and snacks, and we are drinking soda. I'm missing the party. Don't worry, we are recording videos for you. Thank you. Are I hope you are enjoying in the party. Yes, we are get better soon, Brian. Thank you. See you later. Bye, Brian. See you later too.